Hey, so I'm just getting off of work and decided to pull up my potato plants that were here in the back. I've pulled up 3 plants so far, and I'm still finding potatoes. So this one did very, very well. I don't know what happened with the last one, but I've got potatoes from this one. And they are the Kennebec. So this is my basket, and this is what I have so far. So I only found 1 seed potato, and as you can tell by the plant, it wasn't quite ready to be harvested, but I wanted to do it because it was really shading out my squash plants. So that is why I'm harvesting the potatoes. Plus I'm a little eager, try and get as many squash as possible. So, and the vines are they're just running like all under the squash. So I'm trying to get potatoes without disturbing the squash plants. Alright, so I actually just pulled this one up from out of the dirt. So I went from having all these little baby potatoes with the ones that I grew in the front of the bed. And they were like, I want to say it was like 15 seed potatoes. They were all seed potatoes, except for the 3 or 4 that I got from the store and planted. And they did actually grow. And I think I got a couple of potatoes from them. Not quite sure, but I think I did. Like, I have no idea as to how far these roots are going. I'm pulling weeds as I go, because this bed does not have a bottom to it. So I'm doing all this by hand as well. I actually took the 1 seed potato that was still some good and planted it here just to see what would happen. It may not do anything. It may just rot. I don't know, but I think it would be interesting to see. So I'm also keeping an eye out for any unwanted pests in the dirt. Since it doesn't have a bottom, I recently discovered that the mold was kind of tunneling through here in the front, so I can't really tell yet if he's done any damage, but I know sooner or later. Let's get the and this is clay soil that I added some what did I add it? Some compost to. Compost or topsoil, one or the other. Yeah, I don't think I've got anything else. I'm getting hot and I'm tired. I'm just getting off of work. So I came straight back here. Sorry. See my strawberry plants sending out runners left and right. So this is what I got. There's some nice weight to it now. I think that's the biggest one. So all of them are nice size and stuff. You know, and the little small ones, just rinse them off real good. Put them in a bowl of water. Put them in the microwave. And a couple of minutes, pull them right on out. Yeah, so that's my harvest.